What? Yeah. Big Brown. Molly.
I'm on my way to go get my hair treated and also trimmed, and because I'm so used to using wigs, so sometimes I actually forget that the hair underneath the wig needs to be treated. So I like to treat my hair maybe once or twice a month, you know, just get my cornrows down, go wash it, trim it, treat it. And a Colombian lady, she's my hairstylist and she does an amazing job. So I'm on my way to my hair appointment. So I'm over here at Ulta. I've been hearing a lot regarding the new makeup revolution. Is it makeup revolution or makeup? Yeah, their new concealer. So I came into Ulta to pick it up. I don't even know where to go to. Hi. You guys carry a makeup revolution, right? Mm-hmm. Where is the aisle? Their new concealer. Sorry, I'm vlogging at the same time. Okay. No. Oh wow. They said it's sold out online, so I'm surprised you guys have it.
In the back.
Oh, thank God. Thank God. So they have it. Yeah, they have it, you guys. Okay, so oh, they even have the setting powder too. Are you serious? I didn't know they have the setting powder. I think I saw somebody that has the same shade with me. She said she uses C13 and C14.
C13 is right here.
Oh yeah, that's dark. Is that C14?
This one's gonna be C13.
Oh yeah, that's dark for me.
You could do
This
C13
is definitely
with
dark.
C10.
So I picked 3 of the concealers. I have 2 to highlight and then 1 dark shade to contour. I'm just going to try it out and see what happens. I want to pick up the Beauties, or Badescu. I don't know how to pronounce that name. I want to pick up their setting spray. So I'm going over to the aisle. This is actually my first time I came to Ulta to shop, and I was able to see everything I wanted to buy. So I got everything from the Makeup Revolution concealer to the Beauties or Badescu, anyone. You guys know what I'm talking about, their setting spray. So I'm happy.
So we didn't eat vegetables.
We need to eat vegetables.
That's because they're healthy.
Healthy food.
Yes, they're healthy.
What is healthy?
Vegetables.
Vegetables are healthy.
Yeah, and food.
Also, Amira don't like vegetables.
Yeah. Yes, I think we like vegetables: carrots, lettuce, tomato.
Cucumber.
Yeah.
What again? Spinach.
Spinach and
Broccoli.
broccoli and corn.
And corn.
I
I know corn is your favorite. You like cleaning your ear?
Yeah, but it's so much fun. But you better do that at home, kids.
I know. And what is this called? Cotton swab.
Cotton swab.
Hey, AJ, remember you asked Beauties if they like what was the question you asked?
Macaroni and cheese and chicken and macaroni.
So many of them like macaroni and chicken. And what do you like?
I like macaroni and chicken.
Macaroni and chicken.
Yes.
Not macaroni and cheese.
Actually, I like macaroni and cheese.
Oh, so you like the two?
Yes. Macaroni. Look at this, guys.
What's that?
It says go. It says go. Wiping your nose.
Wiping your nose?
Yes.
Is that what it's called?
Yes.
Wiping your nose.
And wiping your eyes.
Oh, I have to go remove my makeup, you guys. It's like almost 9:30 in the night. It's Friday night, so sometimes when I make up and I love the makeup, I don't want to take it out. That's just one of the days today. I put on this makeup like literally since morning, and I've had it on, and it's almost 9:30, so it's time to go and take my bath and remove this makeup. So we just came back from their pediatrician's office, and of course, as usual, they have a cold and high fever, so he prescribed some medications for them. But we decided to branch by the supermarket. Look at them. This is what you go through when your kids are sick and they are not going to school. This is so annoying. Look at her. She's smiling. Look at the other one. Both of them in one cart. Both of them in one cart, and they are so heavy, so I have to like push the cart to carry them. Angelique, please do fast and get well, please. I'm tired of staying with you guys. Leave that alone. Don't pick it. Are you going to pay for the candies?
No.
So if you don't have money, don't touch anything, okay? So what are we buying?
Corn.
Uh-oh. So it's only because of corn you guys brought me to the supermarket?
Oh, we don't know what else we're gonna buy. We don't have a list.
You don't have a list?
No.
So you said corn, right? So we're gonna go get corn.
No broccoli.
And broccoli?
Broccoli. And mashed potato and carrot.
Here. Do you have money for all these things?
No.
No? And you're making a list when you don't have the money. I hate winter, man, because even if you're wearing beautiful things inside, you will still have to cover it with a coat. So I don't even bother myself during winter, I swear. It's just too much headache. Onions. Like, I love this ShopRite, you guys. They have literally everything you can find in Nigeria, from your yam to your corn to okra, like a lot of things. They have yam. This one is the yellow yam, and this one is the white yam. Avocado, a lot. Angelique, I don't know if they have corn. Oh my gosh, I think this is the only corn left. This is the only corn. Jeez, $5 for only 4 pieces of corn. Man, I miss Nigeria. Look at that, $5 for 4 pieces of corn. Angelique, you people are the ones making me spend this money. I don't know if they have any ripe mango. Oh, this is fine. Angelique, 3 is fine, right?
Yes.
3 is okay. I don't have 4 hands. If not, I would have gotten 2 cards. One person will be on one and the other person will be on one, but I only have 2 hands, so I always put the both of them inside the card. Look at them. Where are the lists? What are we buying?
We made a list and we kept it at home.
You kept the list at home and then you came to the supermarket. Okay, I'm leaving. You people are not serious. We made a list and they're telling me now they kept it at home. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Oh, look at cassava, mommy.
Where's cassava?
Cassava right here. This one. Ever since I came to this country, this has been the only bread I eat. Like, I love this bread. So delicious. When you take it with tea, like hot chocolate. I always come to this ShopRite to pick it up. Very good bread. I love it.
Mommy, can I hold the camera?
No, you can't hold the camera because you're going to drop it. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow, you're all beautiful.
Say thank you.
Chicken.
Chicken. We have to look for organic chicken, mommy.
Oh, Daddy.
We want some air freshness.
For a mouse.
No, for the house. So the house will smell good. Angelique, are you okay? You're not saying anything. Huh?
Ew, there's poop on the floor.
We need to get some air freshness
Okay.
for the house. Angel, be careful so you don't drop anything, please.
Mommy, that's it. Right there. Side to side to side.
Which one?
The thing right close to you.
This one?
Yes.
But I already have the ones I use in the house. It's this one here.
But they're almost out.
Yeah, the ones in the house are almost out, so we need new ones.
Let you go.
I know. So we get.
That, you guys put it
We get two.
It's fresh.
We get two of these.
Maybe somebody needs that with the bathroom. The
Which
more
one?
fresh it is, fresher, the more.
The more fresher and the freshest.
But fresh in every place.
It smells fresh in every place. Mommy, but that thing I think is detergent. It's detergent. It's for washing. I think. I'm not sure. So you people want peanut butter?
Yeah.
But which one?
This one. This peanut butter.
No, Mommy. I'm talking of peanut butter for your bread. Let me see that one, Licky.
Definitely we need that one.
Okay, let's get this one. Licky, keep this one inside.
I didn't get to hold anything.
Oh my gosh. Licky, you gotta sit down, Mommy. We already picked one. You want to carry the whole supermarket home? We have to turn. Hi you guys, happy Saturday. It's Saturday morning. Angel and Licky, where are you going?
Grandma's house.
Where?
Grandma's house.
Grandma's house. Are you happy to go to Grandma's house? Oh my gosh, it's Saturday morning, you guys, and we're going to be spending the day at my mother-in-law's. Like, the children, they love it a lot. Whenever they get a chance to go over to Grandma's house, you know, they see their cousins, they play, they're always very, very excited. So yesterday I was just thinking, since it's going to be Saturday today, like, it will be the perfect time to go over to Mom's house. So that's where we're going. We're on our way to my mother-in-law's. What are you doing? You're driving?
Yes.
Boom. Oh, you're driving with my camera holder?
Yes. I'm driving with my iPad.
You're driving with your iPad.
Go back.
I wish that's how people drive. Like, you just come out with any object and you can use it to drive. I remember as a child I used to do that. Even if it's a stick or anything, I just use it to do as if I'm driving. I love it a lot whenever I go to my mother-in-law's, because it's like, you know, you're going to your mom and it's just so fun. You know, she takes care of us, and oh my gosh, there's this restaurant, like African Nigerian restaurant that is very close to her house. It's called Omabelletv. If you're in New Jersey area, you should definitely check out Omabelletv. Like, you guys, their food is so good. This is not sponsored. I wish they can sponsor me, because I can come into their restaurant and eat whatever it is I want. But they have really good food. They have isiewu, nkwobi, they have pepper soup, they have okra soup, egusi soup, jollof rice, like all those Nigerian food. So that's like one of the things I always look forward to whenever I'm going to my mother-in-law's side, because that's where the store is. So whenever we go to her house, we always make our time to go to that restaurant and order our Nigerian food. And I can't wait for some isiewu and some pepper soup, you know. I can't wait, honestly. So yes, Saturday, beautiful morning though. Yesterday it rained all day. It was raining and snowing, which is like one of the worst things to do, like to happen, because when it rains and snows, everywhere is like too very, very slippery, and the water, you know, gets into the snow and it turns into ice. It's so annoying. But we are thankful. The day is kind of bright, and although it's not that bright, but it's better than yesterday.
The only, at least, you know, I know one thing about them. They will play
And pack. Right.
But that's the only thing.
What game is that?
Disney Crossing Road.
Oh. Me, I'm over here trying to edit my video for Instagram. I post on Instagram every 2 times a day. I post a picture and then I post a video. I just started doing that probably last month. Yeah, I'm editing my video for Instagram. And we're getting ready to go to the food place I told you guys about, the Omabelletv food place. I can't wait. Licky. This way. Yes, so finally finally we are here. All the bros. I love their food though, you guys. If you're in the New York area, like Newark area, you definitely have to come and check out their food. Nice food. And they have kind of a club setup, you know, so there is Nigerian music jamming all day, every day, and then Niger food. So let me go ahead and place my order.
We can make it pop.
Mommy, careful, that's my pepper soup. Move.
That's your pepper soup.
I'm singing this song for Panya. Move, Angel. What is your baby's name?
My baby.
No pepper.
Oh, no pepper.
The pepper soup.
You should let her know.
Oh yeah. Can I have pepper, please? Can I have pepper on the side?
Angelique, careful, Angel. They brought the water.
This one is better than the last one. So you
Mommy, can we play?
Play well.
Can we play with before?
Where's the iPad?
We left it out for our house.
I thought you're dancing. Angel, is that the dance?
Yeah. We can like it.
Oh, you got a present for your brother?
When we come back.
This pepper soup is exactly what I need right now. It's so good.
Yeah.
So good, Mom. So good. And it's hot.
At least Monday when you saw it.
Oh, yeah. It's very hot.